Hi, Paul here from Photogenius. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to use the bulb mode on your camera so you can do very long exposures. The bulb mode is a function of the camera that allows you to extend how long the shutter is open for. Now on most DSLR cameras and mirrorless cameras, the slowest default shutter speed is around 30 seconds, sometimes 60 seconds. But using the bulb mode, we can do a 2-minute exposure, we can do a 5-minute exposure, or even a 10-minute exposure or longer, battery life allowing. Now an exposure time of several minutes or longer may sound crazy, but for some examples of what you can do using the bulb mode, make sure you check out the Photogenius website. I'll put a link at the end of this video and below in the notes. Now to use the bulb mode effectively, you're going to need the following bits of kit: a DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. Here I'm using a Nikon D3400, a tripod to keep the camera steady, and a remote device to activate the camera. Now to set the camera to bulb mode, all you need to do on most cameras is find the dial or wheel that controls the shutter speed and turn the dial to the left. You will see the shutter speed changing and getting slower. And if you go far enough, you will eventually reach the bulb mode. Now you're going to find that on some of the Canon cameras like the 70D or 80D, you'll find the bulb mode located on the mode dial, which is on the top of the camera. Just look for the B. Now once you set the camera to the bulb mode, you simply grab your remote and you press the button. The shutter will open, your exposure has begun. To finish the exposure, you simply press the remote button again. The shutter closes and your exposure is finished. So how long you wait between the first press of the remote and the second press of the remote is entirely up to you, and this dictates how long the shutter is open for. Easy. Now if you're lucky to have a newer camera with Wi-Fi built into it, then you may be able to use your smartphone as a remote. But if I'm honest, I found that setting this up and getting the camera and your phone talking to each other can be extremely frustrating. So for around about $35, I would seriously recommend purchasing a remote like this for the Nikon or this for the Canon. For more info on remotes, check out the notes below the video, and I've also put together a video just about remotes, and you should see a link to that somewhere up here. So there you go, the bulb mode. It's easy to set up and use. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you've got any comments or suggestions about our videos, please leave your comments below the video. I hope to see you again soon. See ya.